Hi, I'm Kelsey Murphy, Member Services Manager, and I want to remind you that even though shelter in place has changed the way we do business, there are many valuable services that come with your membership, even in this virtual world. Education is offered in a variety of ways, webinars and pre-recorded videos for you to watch at your convenience. Be sure to be on the lookout for the new learning management system coming in November. Curbside pickup is available for Realtor store purchases at our Pleasanton and Alameda locations. Place your order online. We host events such as marketing meetings, our bi-weekly Bay East Insider Live program, and virtual town hall meetings to provide you timely and relevant information in an interactive format. There are many MLS tools that are offered to you at no additional cost. Glide offers an easy-to-use and share online disclosure form. Cloud CMA can create online CMA packages, and Realtor Property Resource, or RPR, is an online library of property, schools, demographic, neighborhood, and tax data. Find all of these in Paragon under the Resources tab. The Professional Standards Committee is available to conduct virtual mediations for you and your clients. Another great resource available to you is the Holman Group. It offers confidential assistance and counseling for day-to-day struggles such as depression, legal issues, financial challenges, and many more. Visit holmangroup.com for more information about this exclusive member benefit. We also keep you up to date through all of our communications. Visit bayeast.org for a list of all the member benefits that Bay East members receive, and don't hesitate to reach out. You can call us at 925-730-4060. Thanks for watching.